Hi everyone, good morning. So, just a
Very
word
good
of
morning.
caution. Just before going into that, actually, those who want to get regular updates, there is a Telegram group of us. Most of you are joining from the same. But let me show that group. This is the group where I'm posting regular updates about the doubt sessions and all. So you can join using the same. And for the link, look at the description for the link to this Telegram. Okay. Now, yeah, going back, just a second. Yeah. So let me clear these two. Okay. Yeah, everyone, go ahead with your doubts.
Yeah, hi Rayapati.
Hi.
Let me share my screen once.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Yesterday I just asked you right regarding that set 2021-2022.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have data source individual month and individual year. Okay, 2021-22 in this Jan, February, March, April. So I have conconnected for the this is the left of month 3, right of it, like this. Okay. So
Wait,
through
what
this,
did you
I
do?
have
What did you do?
I have added year and month
Don't create a date from it, right?
because we have individual files.
Yeah, open a new sheet. You can create a date from it if you have. Bring year to the view, and again bring month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have Jan. You concatenated them, right? Bring that one, year plus month.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, write a first formula,
Okay, sorry.
not parameter formula.
Mm-hmm.
Date parse, parse P. Yeah.
Okay.
In single quotes, uh, small 3 mm dash within that
Dash.
dash y small y comma year plus month, your year plus month column. Okay, click on apply. Now you see that is your date. Okay, wait, why is this not taking, why is it giving null? Can you bring that Jan Feb? What is in between? Did you put a, go to your year plus month statement, that calculation field? Remove that dash, actually. Remove that hyphen, sorry, it's not dash.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, click on OK. Go to date parse, edit. Here also remove that. Now click on apply. Wait, why is it not come? No, it should come. Why is it? MMM is short form abbreviation. Capital M. Okay, make that capital M. Capital M is for the, yeah. Now click on apply. Remove that space also between M and Y. Yeah. Now you got it. Now you got it. Okay. Now do
So from
that. That is your date, and you can start working on that. Okay.
okay, I actually okay. My exact doubt is I need to create. This is the way.
You can follow that. Do all those things, and any doubt we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. Because there are other
No,
topics.
I have created sets right as you said yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
from 2021 I have selected.
Yeah.
Did you remember that?
Yeah.
So the thing is that I'm not able to set ascending order the whichever the values we have in that set. Like I
That
have
is why
created
that is
2021,
why I asked you to
2022.
create this date, right? From this, you if you do, because that is a string, you are not getting in the order.
From
Okay.
this,
Yeah, create
okay,
from this,
okay,
and then you can get in that order. Okay.
sure, I'll try this.
Okay. Okay, guys. Others, any doubts?
Yes, Rajesh. I'll share the screen.
Yeah, go ahead. Rajbir, yeah, Rajbir, hi.
Hi, Rajesh.
I think last time we discussed about that weeks, right?
Yes, 6 months
Yeah, I
back.
remember that. Yeah, that was a very good scenario, actually.
Yes, in fact, on the same scenario, I'm coming like so. You see, we have the business hours now. So we are like doing the turnaround time. So if one of the date is missing, we are not having the turnaround time for that.
Yes.
Now business came to us again and they told if one date is missing, pick up the next immediate date and do the same calculation and get us the business hours.
Wait,
So
wait.
I was able to do the turnaround time, but what if one date is missing and if I have to take the next immediate date and again do the same calculation? So for two dates calculation, Rajeshwar, we have a very heavy formula. Like we have a very big formula. So this is applicable for two dates. But what if, say, this date is missing and next immediate date to be picked? Again, I have to apply the same formula.
But
So
why are you writing such a big formula?
now, so here, Rajeshwar, this thing is that these two dates can fall on the same day also.
Okay.
Okay. And if the date is equal, and you remember we have 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. logic.
Yeah.
So if that the date are equal and date time of one is greater than 7 p.m. and the date time of second is greater than this, so both are falling out of business hours. Hence, I am taking 0. So what I am trying to do is I have tried all the things before 10 a.m. after 10 a.m. If both dates are equal, falling on the same day.
No.
Say
Okay. Do one thing. See, can you close this calculation?
yeah.
So these are the date fields that you are having, right?
Huh.
So first, what is delivered date? This is the start date, right?
This is the start date.
After
Yeah.
that, what is the logistics date?
Uh,
Between one.
so
What?
if this date is missing, this we have to take as a start date.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with the other. If that is
No,
missing, you have to take this only, right?
correct.
And
Correct.
the last one is the receive date.
And
You need to find the difference between these two,
yes.
right? Uh, can't we take, if this is null, can't we take logistics pickup schedule date? Like if is null of rev delivered date,
Huh.
write a calculation. If is null of delivered date, then rev logistics else rev delivered date
Uh,
end. Now bring that to the view. Take it to converbs, yeah. Convert that to exact date and then discrete and bring it. Now your problem is resolved.
Now my problem is
Now when everything is
this
null,
is
we
the
cannot do
date.
anything. When everything is null, we cannot do anything.
When everything is null, that time we cannot. So now, then Rajeshwar, on the logic which I have applied, wherever I have taken reverse delivered date, I have to take calculation 1.
No. Everywhere don't use rev logistics date anywhere, no? Wherever you want, write based on calculation one. But rev delivered date, now the calculation is only between rev delivered date and deliver received, device received. Only those two. Logistics, you need not use it now.
Correct. I will not use this because this is the formula. Now say again, I am coming to the this thing. So Rajeshwar, wherever I have taken,
don't tell me with the formula. Don't tell me with the formula. Just tell me between those, because formula is confusing.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I have taken is of start date minus end date and all the logic. Right now, so this holds true when I am doing this between two dates.
Mhm.
Now where do I have to put the calculation one in this start calculation is what my question is.
Wherever you are using rev delivered date, what we did is we just made sure that the null is replaced by the logistic state, and that is what your requirement is, right?
Right.
So the rest all is everything is the same. Don't don't write an extra logic for logistic state.
Okay.
Write a lot. Now write the calculation between delivered date and device received date, in which delivered date is replaced with calculation one.
Understood. So
As
wherever
simple
I
as
have used this, I
Yes.
will use this, and this
Yes.
will solve the problem.
And don't write logic for logistics. You don't need logistics statement.
Okay. I don't need this. Okay. Got it. Cool. That was the one of the problem. Okay, I'll try doing this, and probably I'll come up with another problem also.
Yeah, this is a daily session, so you can ask me even if tomorrow. You can ask me like Monday to Friday, anytime. Okay.
Monday to Friday, na?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Rajesh. Thank you. I'll try doing this and let me see if this works.
Definitely. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you.
Hi,
Okay.
Rajeshwar.
Hi, Gayatri.
Hi,
Yeah.
Rajeshwar. Surya.
Wait.
Gayatri
Gayatri. Just let's go with Gayatri first. Yeah, Gayatri.
I am just sharing my screen.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Can you say it?
Just yeah, I'm able to.
Okay. So the scenario is like, for example, we have category here, consumer here. We have like a quantity here, and then profit in the numbers. Okay. So for consumer, I want exactly like this, but for the segment corporate and of home office, I want this in the middle.
Oh.
So and for the home office also, I want this in the middle, and like this, I need to make white. So nothing here, and this one is like I need into the center. So is that possible?
Okay. Oh, is that possible? Okay. Let me share my screen. Let's try. I'm not sure. Let's try for 2-3 minutes. If it is not getting, we'll get back to that later. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
You stop sharing the screen. I'll start sharing.
Okay. I have stopped.
Yeah. Okay. So you have category here and a segment. Let's take segment. And here you have quantity is in color, and you have taken that as circle. Right. Let me take it as an entire view. Okay. Now you took profit in the label.
Right. Central and bottom.
This is how it is. Now you want this in here rather.
Right.
Okay.
So for consumer, it should be like this only. For segment corporate and home office, it should be in the middle.
Okay, I think I got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Increase the size of the circle. Oh, take the same color as quantity. Same color. Perfect. Now you want, see, you have two, right? Now you want it, you don't want it in here when it is something what is consumer, right? So I'm writing a calculation. If category is equal to consumer, then it is about a profit, right? Profit.
Right.
Okay. Now I am bringing this calculation 6 in here. I'm replacing the sum of profit with this. Oh, this circle, the alignment is bottom side. Am I not getting that? Just a minute. Calculation 6 just a minute. Did I spell it wrong? Consumer. We should have got profit values, right? Oh,
Sorry.
wait, see, sorry. Why am I using category here? I should use it.
Segment.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Now I got this here. For the rest all, I'm not getting anything, right? So I'm writing another calculation. Let me duplicate this and edit. Here I'm using not equal to. Here I'm using. Okay, this is how you want, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Please
you.
watch this in the recording, okay? Rather than me explaining
Yeah.
this again, okay? You comfortable with that, right?
Right. When you'll upload the recording?
No, it is live streaming. Now, I think immediately 5 minutes after the session, you'll have access to that video in my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Let me show you that as well. In my YouTube channel, it is currently being live streamed. Yeah, see this one. This one, right?
Okay.
You can get it from here.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Doubts. Someone before when Gayatri is asked, someone has asked a doubt. Can you please?
Surya.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi Rajesh, Surya here.
Mhm.
Rajesh, I am facing an issue like, when I'm switching between the views, right, what is happening? I'm getting an error like cannot mix aggregate and scalar expressions.
Scalar expressions?
Yeah.
Are you using a live data source?
No, I'm not using any live data source.
What is the
It's an
database?
extract. Database is Snowflake.
Okay, scalar. I've never seen that error, dude. Because scalar expressions. Wait, did you Google it? What is?
Yes, I tried, but I haven't received any proper response in the proper solution for that.
So what are scalar expressions first? Scalar.
So for one view, it is coming absolutely fine. When I am switching between other view, right, then I am getting this error. Actually.
Any chance
Cannot
you
mix
can
it.
share the screen? Any chance?
It's not possible.
Because I don't even know why that doubt is coming, that error is coming. So I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay, what did you use any other calculation than that is provided by Tableau, or what calculations did you use in that view? Any idea?
No, I'm not using any. I mean, other calculations. I'm just. It is like switching between the views. That's it.
No, just the fields are just as you got it from the database.
Yes.
You didn't manipulate them in any ways.
Yes. No manipulations.
Okay, might be like now check the data type of the column in your snowflake. Okay.
Okay.
And see what type of data column that is. And is there any?
Okay.
Is there any sometimes when the data is being retrieved, sometimes they write these Python scripts and all to generate the data, right? So check if something like that is there or not, right? Because
Sure, yeah.
in Tableau by direct it should not. So that column might have been another data type which is now brought into Tableau, which is converted to that string data type, right? Then Tableau has converted it to string but cannot access it because it is not sure about the data that is present in the column. This might be one issue that I'm possibly thinking. Okay, if not,
Okay.
once if you don't get that, once ping me in Telegram. Let's discuss on that. Okay.
Sure, Rajesh. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, guys, any other doubts?
Rajeshwar, mine is actually not a doubt. Yeah.
Go ahead.
If at all you have time for 2 minutes, it's not a doubt, but I need to understand the logic behind that. I mean, if at all you have time, we can discuss, or else we can go with someone else.
Go ahead.
Just a second. Sharing screen.
Okay.
Actually, I have created this. I mean, with the help of parameter, we can swap between the sheets, right?
Okay.
So here I have been created this by seeing some videos for the. I mean,
Perfect.
how we can able to do this. But the thing is, like, I didn't understand what's the logic behind this. In the sense, how it is knowing that.
You're swapping the sheets, right?
But I have been given the constraint, right? This is. I mean, how it can know that this is the pie chart?
It cannot. Go to that sheet once. Here you are saying when I select something in my parameter as bar, you put that the same in filter, right? You're saying when I select bar, show me this sheet. And when I select pie, show me that sheet.
But where exactly I have given that?
In filter, you have given that. You in the filter. Pi bar calc is equal to bar. Open your calculation and see. Yeah.
Okay. I have just given the parameter.
Yeah, in that you put the parameter, right? Now here in filter, you are selecting that parameter for the value bar. Now, if you select that from bar, if you make that as a pi, do that as a pi.
It will show nothing.
Yeah, the reason because it is expecting that parameter value to be bar. But you converted that to a pi. So when can you click on the filter now? Edit filter. It has nothing to show. Because the value is pi, you didn't select that. You selected for bar, right?
Yeah.
So when the parametric value is bar, then you will have that value. Else you will not have that value. Okay?
Fine. I will go through it once again.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. Yeah, someone else was asking some doubt.
Yeah, hi Rajeshwar.
Hi.
This is Gopal. Yeah, Rajeshwar. Actually, my doubt is that if we don't have any dimensions,
Mhm.
so can we create any dimensions?
It
I
depends
mean
on.
to I mean to ask that we have the profit and loss
See,
table.
one thing. If you have profit and loss, right? You are saying you only have measures. So how many rows of data do you have?
So basically, I have only 5. So I need to add one more, the dimension.
No. Can you share your screen and show your data?
No.
Because see, when you have measures, generally, how do you store your data? Right? If you're talking about your monthly expense, right? How do you store that? What is that expense for? And what is the amount of that expense? The very basic form of storing the data.
Yes.
Now, here what is dimension? For what you have spent is your dimension. And how much you spend is your measure. So if you want a dimension, you need a cause, or you need a measurable measuring scale. Like I have spent the for this and this and this. Or when you take superstore data, this is the category of the product that is being sold, and this is the subcategory, this is the product name, and its value is this. The customer who is buying is from, his name is this, he's from this country, state, city, belongs to this segment. So you need the point of your dimension is to explain the data, and the point of measure is to measure your data. So here, if I'm talking about that, if I'm talking about the measure and the dimension that we are actually focusing here, if you want to add a dimension, you need to find a way of explaining that to your data. Like whatever the measures that you have, you need to put some explanation for that. And for that, you need to identify each and every row. So that is why I'm asking. If I look at your data, there is a chance I can, what do you say, try to get some output out of it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'll do one thing.
Yeah, create
show
a
you
dummy
in
data of it in your personal data, personal laptop, and then we'll discuss on that.
Okay, okay. Thanks, sir.
Great.
This is my doubt. That's it. From my.
Yeah. Guys, any other doubts?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I have a category with 3 values right now, which I was used as a legend. Suppose if one more category is coming up, I need to set up the color legend as a green color kind of thing. So
As a?
use any color like green color. We need to set up before coming the dimension value. Is that able to do?
Wait. You mean to say you have a chance of getting a data in down the line,
Yes.
which you want to assign the color ahead of it.
Yes. Because what is happening here, like I have some KPI calculation which I was written in the UAT. Like we have only one value is a KPI indication. So whenever we move to that to like what kind of thing what will happen, the color values are changing. So can we able to set a new values? So if we don't have a dimension value also.
Without a value, without a value. Because if you don't see a value, you cannot assign a color to it.
Yeah, that is good. Thank you.
Okay, so to get to the color, see, my one suggestion is it a direct table or is it what do you say, SQL, custom SQL?
Is a direct table which we are using.
It is a direct table. Okay. Because the reason I'm asking you for the custom SQL is, if it is a custom, actually you can replace the table also. My point is, try to write a custom SQL.
Okay.
Try to do some manipulation in that to get that string. Like there will be a column, right? In that, write a case one statement and try manipulating your logic to get that specific output in a column, right?
Okay, which we was expecting as a new
Yeah,
one.
expecting that. Now then you can assign color in Tableau, right?
Okay.
Now replace this with your actual table. Replace data source. You have replaced data source, right?
Yes,
Replace
yes.
that with your table. Now with this, the
Okay.
advantage is the color is already assigned to
Yes.
that particular value. So if in future, if that color comes, it should, this is theoretical, this is totally theoretical, but it should
Yes.
take that value and give it the color that we have assigned.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure the column name is exactly the same that is in the table, sorry. Is it the table? Because when you replace that, the same exact column is replaced.
Yes.
Right? By that, hopefully this should get resolved. If it get resolved, please let me know. If you don't get resolved, also please let me know, because I'm too curious about this. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi. Hey, Bharat. Hi.
Yeah, hi. I'm
How are you,
from your
man?
first batch. Yeah, hi, hi, good.
Good.
How are
Yeah,
you?
go ahead.
Yeah, I have one question. So, I have two custom SQLs.
Okay.
One from Oracle and one from, it's both from Oracle, but data connection is different.
You mean to say two different databases?
No, same. One is from Oracle, means whatever the tables are there, and one is from data warehouse. But
Okay.
Oracle is used.
Okay.
So data connection is different.
Okay.
And but in both custom SQL, tables or columns are same. I have to union that. Is there any way?
Oh. But actually, Tableau is not allowing the union, right?
Yeah, it's not allowing union. It's one suggestion I got from Google that we have to use Tableau prep or something.
How many columns do you have?
Columns I'm having near about 10 columns are there.
Okay, let me think over this. I will just give me a day's time. Which batch do you belong? Like just to find you in the batch. First batch,
first
right?
batch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me, if I get a solution, let me ping you there. Okay.
Yeah,
and
sure,
let's
sure.
discuss about that. I have a very faint idea. I need to work on that. Once I work on that, I'll ping you. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Yes, Rakeshwar, I have one doubt. It is related to a parameter. So actually, let me share the screen. So basically, one dashboard was already created by one of the user, and I only had to add one view to it. So I added the view, but when I tried to add the parameter, it is not working. So if you see, this is one of the dashboard. I just had to add this view, which I have added. Now they have already created a parameter on year and month. So every time they change, the dashboard gets updated. But I had to add this parameter to this view.
Go to that view once.
Yeah.
Did you add that parameter in the filters section?
So basically, I was trying to add it.
You cannot directly add a parameter to filter if I'm not wrong. Try adding the. So write a calculated field, pull that parameter, and then add that to the filter. Sorry. Create a calculated field.
Okay.
Drag that parameter.
Okay. One second.
Okay. Now bring that calculation, convert that into dimension. Why is it? Okay, convert that into dimension. Now bring that to filters. Now you can go for use all. Go for use all.
Okay.
Okay. Now that should change.
No, actually I tried doing it.
Oh, wait. Sorry. My bad. Oh, what? Can you open that calculation 3 1? So
Yes.
like Month parameter. What is your month parameter? Edit your month parameter.
Okay, month parameter they have highlighted as this.
Okay, then do one thing. Go to that calculation 3 once. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah, is equal to month of date, whatever date that is. Apply. Okay. Again, it's not
I have
changing. Go to
so
edit. No. Go to calculation 3. Sorry, sir. Go to edit in filter. Go to calculation 3 in filter. Edit that. Edit filter. Select from list.
select from this.
Uncheck false.
Oh yeah.
Click on OK.
Okay, got it. And if I have to do a year
Here also
parameter,
the same.
if condition
See,
in this one
again,
also,
both should act independently, right?
yep.
Okay,
both
now
should-
you mean to say if someone select an year and month, then in that year it should show that month, right? That is what you're saying.
Right.
Then
right.
okay, extend that and after month date and year of year parameter. What is your year parameter is equal to year of order date. Year of date, sorry.
So okay, so this will show me March 2020. If
Yeah.
but okay, if I'm doing Jan, I don't know. I tried. So basically, they have done the FY and Jan column, and
No, what? Okay, wait. Go to your parameter. I think Jan is given as the value of 10.
Jan is given as a value of 10. Okay, month parameter date.
Yep, Jan is given as the value of 10. That is why it is showing you Jan. Actually, it is October, right? It should have shown you the October value.
Correct. I don't know how they created this, so
I don't
working
know,
on some-
even I'm not sure. Oh, wait. I think if it is a bit more complicated than that because if I'm not wrong, if someone selects FY21 January, then it should show January 21 value. If the year is 20, now it is a bit complicated. Can we discuss this tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Because
It's
I
not
need to
urgent
think
though.
on that.
We'll discuss this tomorrow.
Because if I talk about fiscal year, getting fiscal year and all, it is a very big calculation and it is very complicated. So rather than that, I want to find a simple way. Because if we go into that, right, your confusion is will become multifolded.
Right, and so that's the problem, na Rajeshwar. Someone else have created it, and I cannot do anything about it. It's just one view and adding it to parameter. So I have to stick to this lines because their financial year starts from April, and hence I think they have given the values like this.
Let's see. Let's discuss about that in the tomorrow's session. Let's see. Okay.
No problem. No problem.
Okay. Last 5 minutes, guys. Any doubts? Anyone? Okay, I don't see any doubts. So, can I end this session or?
Yeah, I think we can close it.
Pardon?
I think we're done for the day.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining the session.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Great, guys. We'll
Thanks,
again meet
Vishnu.
tomorrow.
Thank you all.
Thank you.